Alright everybody, what's up, what's up? I just got back from I was out of town, so yeah. Jason's been putting work in the car. I don't know really what he's filmed or whatever he's showing you guys, but I'm back, so we're gonna go for the first rip. He's throwing some battery shims on it right now because the negative keeps disconnecting and shutting the car off. And he fixed a turbo line leak, right?
Yeah, hopefully fixed it.
It was leaking from right there. Right there. And yeah, so I'm gonna go for first ride in the car and see if it's fast or not. So, and then we'll do some, what are we gonna do after that? Let's go to that and see what happens.
And then we're gonna go there. Then if the car's running all right, I'm gonna get some exhaust on it.
Oh yeah.
And then I think the speed sensor goes down in a hole right there, and it looks like it was plugged from the previous owner. So hopefully if the gear and the transmission for it's bad, then we have to drop the tranny and split it. And if we're doing that, we might as well just put a 6-speed in it.
Make an STI.
Yeah. So
it's already got the 2.0, so all we're missing is the tranny now.
Well, STIs this year have 2.5s, but
they have 2.5s.
Yeah, but
more boost though.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that, then go from there. What's happening with it? But hopefully we don't have to drop the trans or anything. Just leave it in there for a little bit. Eventually, it'd be nice to have a 6-speed, but.
Alright, fixed the battery thingy. Now he's gonna fire it up. What's up, Dash? We need exhaust. She's a ripper. Yeah, why does it take so long? Better, I don't know. Maybe a couple bucks. It's pretty loud though. Ready?
We'll warm up for like 2 minutes.
Sounds good. Let's see if Jace can operate the clutch. Got it?
Yeah, take up the seat.
Bro, it's fine. You can't? Woo! Alright, here we go. Oh my gosh. This thing looks sweet. Safety first, huh? What is that squeaking something? Yeah. This is so crazy, man. I can't believe we own this car. Warm. She's starting to rise on temp. I'm just watching because before that negative was like disconnecting the battery and it would just kind of like start dropping slowly and had some interference with the computer, then it would die. Dude, this is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Angles, man. Got the bumper on. I don't think I've ever been so happy in my life. Oh my gosh, we're getting not that quick, but she
I
goes.
wasn't in it.
She goes.
Alright, I got a car behind her.
It doesn't matter. We're in Mexico, right? Yeah. Don't forget it. We're in Mexico. We can do whatever we want in Mexico.
Oh, yeah.
That blow off is nuts. We need a freaking dash mount so I don't hold this thing. What are we gonna? YouTube? Hopefully you guys can see us. My arm is dying right here holding this phone up.
Well, mountain bike this morning, I'm fat and out of shape, my leg hurts with that clutch. It's got a nice stiffy clutch on it.
Racing clutch, baby. We gotta figure the other thing. She sounds good. You wanna go for a carry ride, girl? This is fun. This is sick. You're only hitting like 4,000.
Yeah, it's at 4,500. Being easy on it.
As you drop the transmission on the floor.
Oh my, so harsh, man. Fuck. I'm gonna smell it. Definitely burning something off the exhaust.
Check the oil.
Hopefully it's not.
It's so stiff. There's the dipshits. We'll make a video on that this week. She sounds good though. Is this running good? Or just not?
Trying to die right now.
It is?
It really needs to be tuned, guys, to be honest.
Alrighty.
Let's check out how bad she's smoking. Oh, this is pretty good now. Doesn't smell good. Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Before it was so bad, I think that's just the rest of it is burning off, guys. Before it was so bad that it was coming out the hood scoop when you had the hood shut.
Really?
Smoke was just boiling out of here.
That's for speed, right?
Definitely for speed, nothing else. It's gonna be hot, but I'm gonna get my hand down there and touch it.
Do what?
Basically committing hand suicide.
This is sick, dude.
Let me go get a rag real quick.
Is it just leftover stuff? Doesn't look like it's coming from near. Yeah, maybe it is. What do you think?
I think we might be good.
Think?
Don't know for sure yet though. Need to get some because the power steering was leaking on the exhaust, and so is that oil thing.
Yeah.
And it was leaking good, so we need to
To wash it.
degrease the exhaust pretty good. But actually, let's say we scrub the car down right now.
Right now? Okay, now that we got it clean, sort of, kind of just quick cleaned it. But now we'll take it down to the muffler and exhaust shop. Exhaust shop and good exhaust on it, then put the bumper on it, and she should be ready to go, right?
Yeah. Okay guys, we're back. Here's our old exhaust that is garbage, eBay special that don't fit. You can see why it doesn't fit. A little too short. Doesn't have the right bends, doesn't have a lot of the right stuff. And then we found this off my local classifieds, so bought that this morning. We already got the car up on the ramps, so now it's time to go and get this bolted on underneath. Hopefully everything's good. I got a couple spare hangers from the junkyard to put it on, but we're gonna get it thrown up and in right now and see how it looks on that thing.
We're trying to put on an exhaust in 100-degree weather. It's so fun. Alright, let's see if there's an exhaust leak and we have to rip it off again.
Yay! You ready?
I'm so ready.